Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making foil packed Cajun chicken and veggies in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys, look at how good that looks. It's so colorful, it's keto friendly, it's low carb friendly, and honestly, it's just delicious in general. So I'm going to show you how to make that in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews, all year long, every single week. And let me know in the comments what you guys think of this recipe, whether you'd like to see other types of foil pack meals. Let me know. We're going to be making a four pack of foil pack meals. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the Ninja Foodi Grill, so it's perfect for a family of 4, or if you like a lot, look at that. It's really good. So I'll be showing you how to make that in the Ninja Foodi Grill. If you're interested in any of the items that I use in my video today, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the recipe as well, and I will have the links for those items as well. If I'm missing something, let me know in the comments and I will add the link. But let's go ahead and dive right into making these foil pack meals. Okay, so today we're going to need 2 to 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut into 1-inch pieces. You're also going to need 1 large zucchini chopped. You're also going to need 2 cups of broccoli florets. And then you're going to need 1 bell pepper chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or avocado oil. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, oregano, and salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional. If you wanted to skip that, that is possible. Now, you're also going to need about 12 by 12 inch pieces of aluminum foil. 4 packets we're making. We're making 4 packets with this. So, we will bring that out right now. We're going to go ahead and get started. And what we need to do is mix all of it in a bowl. So, I'm just getting some gloves really quick. And I'm going to add our chicken. And I'm just going to add the seasoning each to one little area. That way it's even. And I'm just kind of mixing it with my finger. Because what we're going to do is just add all of the ingredients to this bowl. Just add the garlic. Make sure we get it all out. And then the oil we'll put last. Let's get our broccoli. Okay. Oh, we missed the chicken there. Alright. So using this large bowl, first let's mix up the chicken. Be careful, you guys. I wish I had a larger bowl. Okay. Now, just add our oil, add our seasoning, and mix it together really well, because you don't want parts that are not seasoned. Bland chicken is never good. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub it all into the broccoli, the zucchini. Oh, there I go. Keep mixing. That one. Okay. We'll go ahead and bring out our foil pieces. Okay. This is where we're just gonna scoop and make 4 even foil. Let's see. I think what I'm gonna do is take off 1 glove, and I will use that for kind of folding. Let me scoop this up. I'm going to clean this up really quick, and then we can scoop them into the packets. Alright. So I just moved everything out of the way, but you want to make your packets as even as possible. That looks like too much. Alright. Kind of eyeball it. And you don't want to tear your aluminum foil, so you definitely want like the heavy duty aluminum foil. Okay. Alright. Now we have our little foil packets. Looks like I have more chicken in this one. I'm going to put this right here. Kind of scoop it more towards the center. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do is kind of make little packets. Seal it up like that. Fold over. Bring together at the top and fold close. Bring in. Alright. Alright, we're going to bring the Ninja Foodi Grill out and place it right here, and then we can preheat it and get these in there. Alright, so I went ahead and I cleaned the surface. We're just using the base pan today. So go ahead and turn on the grill. Set the grill to medium at 450 degrees. And this is about 20 to 25 minutes. So we'll do 25. Hit start. We're going to go ahead and let the grill preheat, and we'll be back. Alright, now we're back. So you're going to want to place them, kind of fit them in. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, this is why we're not using the grill plate, because it's just too packed already as it is. So we'll close the lid. We're going to check on them in about 15 minutes to see how they're doing, and we'll be back. Okay, so we kind of missed the 15-minute mark, but don't worry, it's okay. I'm just getting some. Just want to check to see how they're doing. Okay, the chicken's looking really good. I'm just gonna do this. Let's see. I want to make sure it gets to 165 at least. $155, $158, and it's slowing down. So it's not there just yet, but we're almost done. I'm gonna sew this back up. Okay, we'll let the 8 minutes finish, and we'll be back. All right, so they have finished cooking. Let's go ahead and bring the pack out. Now you want to be careful because there's steam in there. So you kind of want to open. See, that's steaming up right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Let's see if I can show you. It's kind of steaming, so that looks really, really good. And I just want to check the temperature of the chicken. 147, 155. Alright, so we're over the 165, so that's perfect. 178, 180. Still climbing. About a little bit over 180, so you won't have chewy chicken. Let's go ahead and taste test it. Let's see, we got a small piece. It's hot, you guys, so hold on. I'll try it right now. Mmm. That is so good. Alright, guys, this is how you would make foil pack Cajun chicken and veggie packets in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming your way all year long on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments what you guys think of this recipe. Until next time, you guys have a great night.